Hi everyone. On May 30th, Saturday, we will have a day workshop, Self-Healing Through Movement and Natural Vision Improvement. One of the things that I teach in my workshops, and I'm finding that I can also teach it online very well, is kinesthetic awareness, where you feel parts of your body you normally don't feel. You feel how tight they are, how loose they can be. You feel how relaxed you could be. You lie on the floor. You visualize that the floor carries you. You feel your weight on the floor, and you feel how the floor supports you and allows you to be there. And then you move. Different parts of your body, for example, bringing your knee to your chest and moving the leg in rotating motion, moving the leg to one side and to another. Oh, I have a whole day to explain to you how you can work on yourself in real time, showing you one exercise after another. The self-healing through movement is important. Even now that I worked on one patient who was recovering from cancer surgery, the first thing that we needed to do is a massage to help her improve well with the exercises. And I will never forget the wonderful lady who was a Zen priest who had 2 breasts removed. And I taught her self-massage. I was then in my 20s and she was in her 50s. And she told me, Meir, you teach me how to love myself again. And she lived to her mid-80s. So if you want to prolong your life, a new way of working on yourself is not overrunning, not overworking. Although I want you to walk, I want you to lift some weights, I want you to strengthen yourself, but in the right way. But discovering muscles you never used before and starting to use them again and doing it in a relaxed way. That's what I'll teach you. And I will teach you how to exercise your vision. Of course, how to improve from nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, prevent cataracts, all that in one day from 10 to 1 and from 2 to 5. I'm looking forward to see all of you.